Okay, we left off with this picture, and let me see where that picture is. We left off with this picture that we did just now in the previous video. Okay, so we left off with this picture, okay? So we pretty much add in a couple of things. We change up the borders. We added like a few effects on it. Now we're gonna add like a couple of words on it, okay? Okay, we're gonna go in. I'm gonna come back here. Okay, let me go back here. Okay, you guys show. Okay, in this website, I'm gonna also leave the link down there. Guys, go into the Open Pixel Editor Advanced and click on this one. And what you do now is that you wait, and you can either create a new image here. You guys can open an image from the computer, open an image from the URL, like a link that you guys have, open image from a library, or use Pixlr on your mobile device. Okay, but I'm gonna show you here is that I'm going to open image from the computer. Okay, so I'm gonna go with the volcano island that we just saved just now. So it's gonna show up like this. Okay, it's gonna show up like this, and it's gonna be actual size. It's gonna be this big only. So if you notice here the tools, it looks kind of like the free tool that we also have in our computer called Paint. Well, it's pretty much similar, except there is a lot more things you can use up here. There's a layer. You can pretty much put another layer, new layer, duplicate layer, delete layer, open image as layer, blah 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 blah. There's a lot of things. I'm not gonna go through too details into it. I'm just gonna go into how you guys can add a word on here. So let's say I wanna say, let's say you want a quote. Usually you want to put a quote on it, or you want to put something to get people to do something. Sometimes I have like button images that tell people, hey, you guys, if you guys are interested, join Robert, and you guys can get started building your income online or something like that, right? But here for this image, I'm just gonna leave it with a quote, maybe a quote by me. So recently I've been saying a lot, saying that play hard, play hard, work harder, and sleep hardest. Robert Heath. And down here I'll probably put like sent from www.robertg.com. And you can pretty much change. See, if you notice that if it's all black, you won't be able to see the volcano, whatever, that's clear. So what you can do is that you want to go in here and change up the color, most important. Let's see if we go with white. If it's it will be much clearer. Nope, you won't see with white. With red you could see it, but well, it depends on whether you have any basic knowledge of colors. You can basically change it up to see which one would look nicer on it and which one would stand out more. And right now, red, I guess blue would stand out the most, but no, you need something that's really bright, I guess, because the background is pretty dark. Oh, I think I almost found it. Yes, this one looked better. I'm gonna go with this color, and I'm gonna make it bigger. I'm gonna make it like, sleep harder, and I'm gonna pull this picture higher. Okay, so 53, maybe it's too big, so 50. No, let's go with 50. No, 45. 45. Okay. So this one looks pretty big, decent, people could see it, and I will usually put it into bold and italic so it looks bigger. Then you can actually change up the different word, like different style fonts, to make it, looks nice. I would usually just, go with whatever that looks nice, that makes it really easy to read, basically, because in the end you want people to be able to easily read what you have to say on this. Okay, so this is just pretty much a basic tutorial on how to use this for very basic using. So I'm just gonna click OK, and that's all I want to write, basically. Play hard, work harder, and sleep hardest. Sent from www.roberthe.com. And all I do next is go into the files section and click on save. And now I can save it as edited, so I know which one is the one, and I just click OK. And then picture quotes, save. Okay. So if you guys want to use it to do, and basically this is how you pretty much create. You go find a picture, and then you go pretty much edit it, and make it really personalized to your own preference. That's how you can make it look really, really nice. If you're a little bit more creative, you can probably use like some of this other things. You guys can explore into all this thing, basically, but I'm just gonna leave it as really basic stuff right now so that you guys know what to do. And that's all for the video. I'm gonna put some links below so that you guys can get to this easier, and there's gonna be also my Facebook if you guys want to get in contact with me to see or learn how I'm making money online, as well as better utilize all these tools on the internet. Alright? Other than that, peace out. Have a great day. Have a great night wherever you are in the world. Alright? Bye-bye.